Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your nickname in World of Tanks Blitz game. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your World of Tanks Blitz game on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you're inside the home page of the game, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner from the lobby. Now, you will see your clan information, your profile name, avatar, and so on. Click on Change Name right underneath your player's name, and then you can now change your nickname. Enter a new nickname in the text box. Now click on Edit. Your nickname will now be changed on all wargaming.net resources in a few minutes. Click on Affirmative, and within a few minutes you might be able to see your name change. Just give it some time for the changes to apply to your profile. And that's how you can easily change your nickname on World of Tanks Blitz. You can change your name for free for once, but if you've done it before, you might need to pay with gold or in-game currency. If your name change is not appearing, then you can consider restarting the game to see the name update. So that's how you have successfully changed your name in World of Tanks Blitz. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.